What is the general form of a quadratic? First, before discussing equation, we should discuss about expression. Can anyone tell that what is the difference between equation and expression? Yes.
Sir,
The
you will teach
equation
us.
are equal to sign. Sir, expression is just one. Like,
Just we can express. Okay, we should not equating to zero, right?
Sir,
If we have it,
whether you
yeah,
will teach NCRT now or Master G, sir.
yeah, master G alone,
Okay, sir.
not NCERT. Okay, NCERT already completed.
NCET
Com
completed, sir.
yeah, NCERT completed. Now I'm taking that master G, right? See, if I take ax square plus bx plus c. So is this expression or equation? Here a should not equal to 0 and b comma c are any two
Expression, sir.
constant. Okay,
Expression.
it is expression. So here it may be real or complex. The coefficient like here a, b, c are the constant. It may be real or it may be complex, right? So this is a expression. So here every quadratic equation is a second degree polynomial. Okay, since you know that the polynomial ax power n plus bx power n minus 1 plus cx power n minus 2 like that, and that the degree is equal to 2, then it is called the quadratic. If degree is 1, linear expression. Degree is 3, cubic expression. Degree is 4. So more than 2, it is called like a it is belongs to like theory of equations. We are going to discuss degree 3, degree 4, degree 5, more than 2. Okay, degree is greater than 2 or greater than or equal to 3. These are all comes under theory of equation. Next topic is theory of equation, right? So this is the expression like for example any like alpha is any root of this expression. So what shall we uh, do that? If I substitute this alpha in this expression, like a alpha square plus b alpha plus c must be equal to 0. Okay, alpha is satisfy the given equation, right, students? So simply remember here, ax square plus bx plus c is called the quadratic expression where a should not equal to 0, right? If I take here a like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then what about this called? Then this is called the quadratic equation, equal symbol. So in the equation, if you're having equal symbol, this is called a equation. Without equal symbol, that is called just expression. That you have to remember. Okay, right? So every quadratic equation having how many roots maximum? It's depending on the degree. What is the degree here? Degree is clearly 2. So here the given equation having 2 roots, that is, let us take alpha and beta in general. So in entire chapter, the roots of the quadratic equation I'm taking as alpha and beta, right? Now, then here, since we know that your alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a, the product, sum of the roots always minus b by a, the product of the roots is given by c by a. Am I right, students? This is also you know very well. Okay, so we are going to discuss few more important points like maximum value, minimum value, the different roots and properties of quadratic equations, some fact of a quadratic equation, all we will discuss, right? Okay, fine. So yes, sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a, and see here, what is the quadratic formula to find the roots? X is equal to, yes,
Minus b plus or minus root over b
b
square
square
minus 4ac by 2a.
2a. Here, what about this b square minus 4? That is called discriminant.
Discriminant.
Okay, so what is the use? What is the use of this discriminant? With the help of discriminant, we can say directly the nature of the roots. Nature in the sense whether the roots are real or complex. Whether the roots are real or complex, then that is called a nature. Expression means without equal symbol. Equation means equal symbol. So every quadratic equation having 2 roots, I'm taking alpha and beta. Sum of the roots is minus b by a, and the product of the roots is C by A, right students? Then here some, when alpha beta are the roots, some fact will be there already. I think so in master G they have given, clearly they given. So alpha plus beta is whenever it is minus B by A, and alpha plus B, alpha into beta, alpha into beta is they given into, beta is C by A. Then the first many important points are there. What is alpha minus beta? It may be modulus. Our second point is that what is alpha square plus beta square, and the third one is that alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, like that. So here maybe alpha cube plus beta cube, or maybe alpha cube minus beta cube. Okay, maybe it's second one alpha square minus beta square. Okay, so if possibly have to remember this value, at least three values here, like this alpha square and alpha cube, beta cube. This way we will derive, no problem in that, because okay, so this is when the here two cases will be there. When the quadratic equation is given, how can you find the roots alpha beta with help of quadratic formula? In case reverse, here quadratic equation is given, to find the roots we can use this formula. In case roots are given, okay, roots are given, then they are asking the corresponding quadratic equation. Okay,
Sir, x
let,
square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta.
right. Okay, then if we take the quadratic equation like ax square plus bx required, the quadratic equation is like that. This can be written as a, x square coefficient is a, so alpha comma beta are given, then x minus alpha into x minus beta. If we expand this, we are going to get here x square minus, as you said, alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, so like that we will write this. Students, is that clear? Okay, remember that. So when alpha beta are given, we can use any one of the formula, either x minus alpha into x minus beta. Instead of that, better to use second one. Even if we expand also, you are going to get the second one. Expand this, we'll get the second one. Clear, students? Like that. Okay, fine, Amma. Next, nature of the roots. Nature in the sense, if the quadratic equation is given, can you say directly whether the roots are, without finding the roots, can you say directly whether the roots are real or imaginary? Okay, here ax
Sir,
square plus, yeah, three cases will be there. Three, what are the three cases? One,
D greater
two,
than 0, D greater than 0, D equal to
equal
0.
to 0.
yeah, exactly. Delta I'm taking as, instead of D I'm taking delta. Delta is the discriminant, B square by 4 is. Okay, as you said, there are three cases will be there. Delta is greater than 0, delta is equal to 0, and delta is lesser than 0. When delta is greater than 0, what about the roots? Real?
Real roots and distinct, sir.
Wow, good. Here, real
Real and
and equal.
equal.
Here,
No real roots.
that is imaginary. Right, students? Imaginary. That's all. This is about the nature of the roots. Got it, students? Imaginary in the sense nothing but remember here either alpha plus or minus iota times or beta. Every complex number can be represented by x plus or minus iota y, but here I am taking the roots are alpha comma beta, so we may write. So remember, students, this nature of the roots, it is very important, right, students? Now, next. So it may be some two different cases will be there, maybe perfect square without perfect square, like that. So later on, I think so they have given, when they given two quadratic expressions, so with common root, one of the root is common, uh, like that different questions are there. Two quadratic equation, then how can we say that nature of the roots of two quadratic equation? That is also there, that we will discuss. The questions are very easy, no doubt in that. Okay, no doubt in that, right? But so according to the given question, like quadratic equation, So for example, x square plus 2x plus 3 will 2x plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 will be there. So what are the roots of this? Actually, the roots are minus 1 comma minus 2. Am I right? So how can we say that here? I don't want to find the roots, but I want to say whether the sign of the roots. What is the sign? Whether both will be positive or both will be negative, or one of the root is positive, one of the root is negative. How can you say that? Okay, how can we say that here? See, the coefficient of all that are positive. Like if we comparing here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b, c are all are three positive. Then the roots are negative. Okay, plus a plus b plus c. But see here, ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. Nothing but a and c are the same sign and b is opposite sign. B is opposite sign. In this case, the roots are both roots are positive. Here both roots are negative. Okay, all the signs A, B, C having same sign, the roots will be negative, and A and C are having the same sign. It may be positive or negative. B is opposite side. The roots must be root must be yes to x positive. And when ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Like in that case, what I want to take here, I want to take a and c are opposite sign. See, a is plus, c is minus. A is minus, c is plus. In that case, the roots are opposite side. Opposite sign. Nothing one root is positive, another root is negative. Okay, in the first case, both roots are negative. Okay, here both roots are negative, negative. Here both roots are positive. Here one root is positive, one root is negative. Like some shortcut methods are there when they are asking, if they ask like both roots are positive options. Options are like both roots are positive, both roots are negative, one root is positive, one root is negative. Such cases, just you have to check the sign of A and B and C. According to that,
Sir, if minus ax square plus bx plus c is give equal to 0, then also plus or minus or minus or plus, sir.
yes, 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 obviously, exactly. What I told, A and C are opposite sign. A and C are opposite. Here A is negative, C is positive. Then one of the root is positive, another root is negative. So it's not depending on the B coefficient. B may be positive, B may be negative. Don't consider that. Just look at that A and C, whether having opposite or same sign, right? Okay, we will discuss all the questions. So when it comes to the exercise problems that are very, very easy, that no doubt. See, Emma, first before that, I'm going to derive few conditions here. Look here, look at here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what are the roots I have taken here? Alpha comma beta. What is alpha plus beta? Anyone? Minus b by a. Am I right? What is the product of two roots? C by a. From this, can anyone tell that what is alpha minus beta? Very important.
Sir, root over alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta.
Yes, a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole
Minus
square minus 4 alpha 4a minus 4ab, like that. So this is the formula we're having. Just you have to replace. This is minus b by, yes, minus b by a the whole square minus 4 times of c by a. Okay, since we know that here alpha and beta, right? Fine, students. So if when you simplify this, when you simplify b square by a square minus 4c by a, so what is the LCM here? From this alpha minus beta is equal to square root of. So when I take LCM is a square, yeah, b square minus 4ac. Am I right? B square minus 4ac.
sir, d by a
So
square can be written.
yeah, so square root of delta by a. You can take like as I said, capital D is the discriminant d by a. So this is about alpha minus beta. Try to remember square root of b square minus 4ac by a. Okay, fine. Then what is alpha square plus beta square? I want to know the sum of the squares of the roots, sum of the squares of the given roots. Shall I write this as, because here we know that alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. With alpha of that, we need to find alpha square plus beta square. So alpha plus beta, the whole square, then shall I write here minus 2 alpha beta? Am I right, students? Yes, absolutely right. This is equal to minus b by a the whole square minus 2 times of like what about this c by a, right, Amma? Right. This is about b square by a square 2c by a. So this is about b square minus 2ac by a square. Am I right? Am I right, students?
Can we
Is it
multiply and divide by 2, sir?
multiply and dividing with
2.
y?
No, sir, no, sir. If we do also, it will get complicated on this.
No, not required that. Okay. Is it clear, students? Anyone? So here, I told you I'm going to derive this alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Let us see then alpha cube, beta cube.
So 1 minute
Alpha
just
cube.
start up, sir.
Yeah, why not?
A little bit above, sir. Above alpha minus beta.
Yeah.
Sir, we can write alpha cube plus beta cube as alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta.
That's all. That's all. That's it. In that again, alpha plus beta value we know directly. Then what is alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square? Sorry, minus alpha beta, right? Next one is here I want to find alpha cube plus beta cube. So a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Shall I write like this? Yes, we can write. Yes. So since we know that this alpha beta, but I need to write one more step. So alpha into beta, alpha square plus beta square. Just now we have written here above step. What I have written here? Alpha plus beta the whole square. Shall I write alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. So always try to change in terms of alpha plus beta. This is minus b by a bracket minus b by a the whole square minus 3 alpha into beta, that is c by a. Now you have to simplify, you get that. Simplify this. This is about alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, students, right. Let's start that exercise. Okay. Students, can you able to see this question? Okay. Okay, right. Classwork 2, right? The first question. So, right, the first one is alpha, beta are the roots. Friends, alpha, beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c. C equal to 0, then the value of alpha by beta minus beta by alpha the whole square. So what's the question? Alpha beta clearly roots. We need to find alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. It's a simple question. So here we need to find alpha by beta minus beta by alpha the whole square, right? For that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And clearly they mentioned that alpha comma beta are the roots, then alpha beta minus b by a, and alpha beta is c by a. So what shall we do, Amma? This is equal to take LCM. What is the LCM? Alpha beta is the LCM. Alpha square minus beta square. Students, what is the alpha a square minus b square? A square into a square minus b square formula. Yes,
A
shall
plus
I
B
write?
into A minus B.
Yeah, alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta by alpha beta. Since we know that here alpha beta, yeah, just now we found that alpha minus beta value. So what is the alpha minus beta value we found? This is alpha plus beta minus b by a. Fine. By alpha into beta, that is c by a. Then what is alpha minus beta? B square minus 4ac by a. We have written already. Am I right? So here a get cancelled. Answer is what, students? What is the answer? Yes, Amma? This is whole square means whole square we should write. Sorry, I forgot to write whole square. Whole square. Whole square. Whole square means here minus b is there. Minus b means it will becomes positive. B square by a square c square into b square minus 4ac. That's all. Answer which is the correct option? First question. First option. First option. Anyone having any doubts, students here?
Sir, what
So
is the page number? Sir?
page number I don't know here.
198.
198, I think.
Sir, can you
Okay.
show the workouts?
Yeah. So no problem. If possible, I will be provide the solution. See, quadratic equation of nothing. What I'm saying, you may practice this is after 1 week. Okay. So it's not an issue, but the thing is complex number alone you have to practice. Right? See, because this is easy. But next, yeah. Next question. The question number 2 is, let two numbers have arithmetic mean. Two numbers have arithmetic mean 9 and geometric mean is 4. Then though these numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation. What is arithmetic mean? 9. Geometric mean? 4. It's a simple question, students. Second one. Okay, I'm taking the two numbers are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Fine. What
Alpha
is
plus
the
beta by 2 is 4, sir.
is equal to 9, I think. 4 or 9?
4, sir.
No, 9.
9.
Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to clearly 18. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then geometric
So
mean
then
is where
geometric means root over alpha beta equal to 4, sir. Then alpha beta equal to 16, sir.
that's all. We got it alpha plus beta, alpha beta. When alpha plus beta, alpha beta are given, so what is the quadratic equation, Amma?
X square minus 18x plus 16.
Right, that is x square minus alpha plus beta times of x plus alpha plus beta is equal to 0, right? Now substitute like alpha plus beta, that is 18x, and plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the required the quadratic equation whose arithmetic mean and geometric mean has given. Clear? Okay, fine. Next question, try to understand all the questions here. Alpha not equal to beta, nothing but two roots are different roots. Alpha square is equal to alpha minus 3 and beta square is equal to 2 beta minus 3. Then the equation of whose roots are alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Okay, students, it's a again clear about this question. Next one. See, here we try to find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Okay, if these are the two roots, then the required quadratic equation is what, students? X square minus
Sir,
alpha by
alpha
beta.
square plus beta square by alpha beta
Okay,
plus alpha plus 1, sir.
plus 1 is equal to 0. Only the thing is, here you require to find alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value. For that, is here they have given any quadratic equation? No. Alpha beta are the roots, but both alpha beta are satisfying the equation. Here alpha square strings, alpha square is equal to 2 alpha minus 3. So when I take left side, minus 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. And beta square minus 2 beta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? It's a no, because the roots always satisfy the quadratic equation. Can anyone tell that what is the quadratic equation then? Is quadratic equation.
Sir, x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0,
Yeah,
sir.
that's all. X square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is alpha plus beta from this equation? Shall I take two? Product of the roots, c by a, that is 3 by 1, 3, minus b by a, minus 0, minus plus to have it taken directly. So to simplify this, x square minus, now you have to take the LCM is alpha beta. This is alpha square plus beta square into x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. By alpha beta value is clearly 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's all. So what is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta? Again x square minus 2 square minus 2 into 3 by 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This you can simplify, you'll get the answer. So see how logically they have given simple question, but here they have given like alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0, beta square minus 2 beta plus 3 is equal to 0. Right, Amma? With help of that, I have taken the quadratic equation. Okay, I have taken the quadratic equation here. With help of that, the sum of the roots like alpha plus beta is 2, alpha beta is 3. Simplify this, you will get the answer. Simplification will do in that, no doubt. But only the thing is,
So 1 minute, can you show the solution for second question, sir?
yeah.
That's it.
Okay, right. The next one is Okay, alpha plus beta is given, alpha cube plus beta cube is given. Then quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta. See students, alpha plus beta already given. With help of alpha cube plus beta cube, like a cube plus b cube formula, you have to find alpha into beta. Then after x square minus alpha plus beta already given into x plus alpha beta. Okay, that we can do. Question number 4 is a homework, and question number 5 I'm going to do, right? See, the sum of the roots of the equation, sum of the roots of the equation of is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocal. What is the condition number? If I take alpha, beta or the roots, sum of the roots of the quadratic equation equal to sum of the squares of its reciprocals. Am I right? Sum of the roots equal to sum of the squares of their reciprocal. If I take alpha, beta or the roots, this is the condition. Then what about to a c square, c a square, a b square? So with help of that, alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta
Sir,
square.
we
They
can
have,
write as alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square, no, sir.
yeah, alpha beta whole square also we can write. Okay, so here ax square, then same. What is the left side? Alpha plus beta, nothing but minus b by a is equal to alpha square plus beta square, again alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta, that is c by a the whole square. Now this is, you can cross multiply, so which implies minus b by a into c by a, that is c square a square is equal
Sir,
to,
we will get a by c only, no, sir, if we cross multiply.
why a by c will get? It is already in denominator, no? Take total
Okay.
value, I'm taking as cross multiply, right? 2 into c by a, am I right? Now this is about minus bc square by a cube is equal to, like this is nothing but b square minus 2ac by a square. One a square get cancelled. Am I right, students? Then you can simplify, right? Simplify. This a you can cross multiply, so bc square minus bc square is equal to like ab square minus 2a square c. 2a square c, take left side, 2a square c is equal to ab square plus bc square. So what do you observe? What about the three values? Are in AP or in GP or in HP?
AP, sir.
That's all. I told you very clearly, it is easy concept. Only few questions are quite okay, difficult, but not most of the questions. I hope that you understood. Okay, with help of the given condition, I found that the values are in EP. First
1
condition.
minute, please show the solutions.
Why not? I'll be post in your classroom. You can look at once all these solutions. So students, all of you maintain the notes. Okay, it may be class notes, it may be OBT, it may be NCRT. Once the school will reopen, I will check your notes. Okay. Surely I'll check your notes, right? Especially OBT, how many problems you worked out? Okay, ma, completed.
Yes, sir.
Right, Amma. So in this question, clearly they have given these are the two roots. Fine. Okay, when tan 22 and tan 23 are the roots, then what is the quadratic equation? X square minus alpha plus beta, that is tan 22 tan 23 into x plus alpha into beta, tan 22 to tan 23 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation, but we need to find what is this tan, sum of these two values and the product of the two values, right?
B plus 1 is equal to 0, sir. That is the answer.
Yes, what?
Sir, A minus B plus 1 is equal to 0. That only is the answer, sir.
Option.
Second option, sir.
So a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Is that right, students? Yes. Okay, see, Emma. When I comparing these two, what is tan 22 plus 23?
Tan 45.
Tan 22 plus tan 23 is equal to minus a. When I comparing both the equation, tan 22 into tan 23 value is b. When I comparing these two equations, right? Okay, but the thing is, the options they have asked in terms of a, like in terms of eb, right? So then, since we know that what is 22 plus 23, 22 plus 23, 45. Take tan. So it is like tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a, tan b, tan 22 to tan 23. Since we know that tan 22 plus 23 minus a by 1 minus b. So what is left side, Amma? This is about right side. Tan 22 plus 23, 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to minus a by 1 minus b. Just you have to cross multiply 1 minus b is equal to minus a. When I take it, this is left side, a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? Students, having any doubts? So here we have to use the tan 45, tan a plus b formula. So this tan 22, tan 23 are the roots. So I compared with that, we got minus a, sum of the two values is minus a, product of two roots is b after comparing. Then 22 plus 23 is equal to 45. I applied tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That's it. Got it? The next question. Seventh one, the with the difference of the squares of the roots, nothing but alpha square minus beta square is 24. Then the value
Sir,
of
we can
a.
write that alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta is equal to 24, sir. 6 into alpha minus beta is equal to 24. And alpha minus beta is equal to 4, sir.
Yes,
With that, we can find alpha and beta, sir. Q equal to alpha into beta, sir. So 5 is there.
absolutely right. That I'm giving as a homework. Students, is that clear, ma? I'm giving as homework because easy question, no doubt. In that question number like 8, let alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Okay, then the roots of the equation. Okay, alpha beta are the roots of this equation. Then what are the roots of this equation? Is it clear? Here x minus a, x minus b is equal to c. Then alpha beta are the roots. Then x minus alpha into x minus beta plus c. Then what are the roots? Reverse, opposite. This AB will get. AB will get. Then other, let's check it once. Check it once. Okay. So what is the quadratic equation number? Alpha comma beta roots of the quadratic equation. X. Students.
X minus A into X minus B is equal to C.
Okay. See, Amma. When I replace, it's a simple logic question. We do in two ways. First, I want to do in logically. Alpha, beta are the roots. Shall I take here? Then alpha minus A into alpha minus B is equal to C. And beta minus A into beta minus B is equal to C. So when I take the minus common, second equation, x minus beta, x minus alpha. What are the roots of x minus alpha? X minus beta is plus c. Plus c, if I take right side, minus c. Yes or no? Minus c. So here, when I replace with option verification, so not required option verification. When I take here, like from this equation, any one of the equation, take minus common. So otherwise, sometimes you might be confused by this method. So like alpha, beta are the roots now. Why don't you multiply these two? X square minus ax minus bx plus ab is equal to c, right? Here x square minus like a plus b into x plus ab minus c is equal to 0, right? Now here clearly alpha comma beta are the roots. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus a times of a plus b, minus of a plus b. Alpha product of products is remaining
It
constant.
will be A plus B only, no sir. How? Minus of A plus B.
Sorry. Yeah, right. Minus b by minus to minus, it will be plus. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to a plus b. So when I comparing on both sides, even alpha is equal to a and beta is equal to b, it's not like that. It is also should be satisfied. This here extra is c will be there. When c is equal to 0, okay, both the equations are correct. Okay, this is one. Then after that, I want to take another equation, whatever the equation they have given, x minus alpha into x minus beta plus c is equal to 0, right? Now, when I multiply this here, we are going to get x square minus alpha plus beta into x, alpha beta plus c is equal to 0. So this is about here. What is the condition over here? Again, alpha plus beta from above condition. What is alpha plus beta here? With help of equation 1. X square minus, shall I write a plus b into x plus alpha into beta, ab minus c is equal to 0. Sorry, ab minus c into alpha plus beta plus c is equal to 0. Now when I cancel these two, so we are getting this equation. So what about the roots of this equation? Anyone?
A comma B.
That's all. The roots are here, small a comma small b. So very simple. I multiplied that. So alpha beta are the roots. Sum of the roots I have taken. Product of the roots I have taken. And consider this as equation 1 and 2. Then after I have taken the second equation, I multiplied both alpha plus beta. I replaced, and alpha beta I replaced. We got finally a comma b. Any doubts? I hope you understood. The class till what time? Till 9:45, am I right? Sorry, 10:45. 10:45,
Yes, sir.
9:45. Okay, students, you can try question number 9. Alpha, beta are the roots of the equation, then the value of, okay, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 15. Then your alpha beta is equal to 1 plus 1. See here, it is simple question. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 means what is alpha? In place of alpha, we can, okay, 1 by
Baby.
1 by. So then beta is equal to 1 by alpha. It's very simple. You can replace 1 by alpha by beta, beta minus 15. 1 by beta by alpha, alpha minus 15. So finally alpha minus 15 the whole power minus 2 plus beta minus 15 the whole power minus 2. Then you have to simplify this. How can you simplify this? Then what about your alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta, already we got it. Alpha plus beta value is plus 15. Take 15 left side. Alpha minus 15 is equal to minus beta. Beta minus 15 is equal to minus alpha. So alpha minus 15 is minus beta whole to the power of minus 2 plus minus alpha whole to the power of minus 2. That's all. That is nothing but 1 by beta square plus 1 by alpha square. That only. This you can try, students. Ninth one is a simple question. I already explained that. So next concept is the roots are the given with conditions. Roots are given with conditions. Okay, let's see here. The quadratic equation whose roots are x and y intercept. X and y intercept of the line passing through 1, 1 and making a triangle of area capital A with axis maybe. What is capital A? Capital A is area of triangle. So we have to find the quadratic equation in terms of capital A. It's simple. Look at here. Yes, students, what do you observe in the question? In the question, take x-axis and y-axis. I'm going to take x and y-axis. I want to take x-intercept. On x-axis, I'm taking a comma 0. This is x-intercept. Like from here to here, this is a, and here to here b. Like that is nothing but 0 comma b. When I joining these 2 points, it will form a triangle. Like if I take
square plus b square, sir.
capital B, it is 0. Yeah, area as you said, what is capital A? 1 by 2 AB. Yes, it is a right angle triangle half into base into height we can take, but clearly it is
What will be the length of the hypotenuse, sir?
length of the root over a square plus b
Hypotenuse.
square. Root
Okay.
over a square plus b square. Yes or no? Students
Yes, sir.
remaining, is it clear? Right. Here the thing is, when I take the intercept on x-axis and y-axis, can anyone tell that what is the intercept form of a line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is the equation of line whose intercepts are a comma b. And see, I have taken this line equation. This is a line. This equation is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And see here, this is clearly passing through which point? Passing through 1, 1. So replace x by 1, y by 1. So 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1. When I take LCM here, AB is the LCM. So a plus b is equal to 1. So then a plus b is equal to AB. A plus b is equal to AB. But the question, okay, students, one more thing. This is, let us take one. So what is capital A? Area formula, area of the whose intercept are given, then area of the triangle always is base is A, height is B, half into base into height. So AB is equal to 2 into A. Am I right? Whenever AB is equal to 2 into A from with the help of equation 1, this is also shall I write A plus B? Shall I write? Yes, Amma. Shall I? AB value we got as 2 into capital A. AB is equal to A plus B. Finally, A plus B value is 2A. AB value is 2A. And in the question, intercept of the line passing through with the axis. Then
Second option, sir.
why? How can you say the second option is the correct one?
Sir, x square minus of a plus b plus ab.
Is it right, friends? Is it right? That is
Sir,
right
can you
only.
show the workout thing, sir?
So now substitute the values, you'll get the answer. Just a moment. Students, clear?
Sir, can you explain again, sir?
Yeah, fine. Once again, question is what? The quadratic equation whose roots are the x and y intercept. The roots are x and y intercept. Okay, what is the x intercept, Amaya? X intercept.
Sir, what is meant by intercept, sir?
Intercept mean the line which is intersect on x-axis at some point. The distance from origin to that point is called the x-intercept. And the line also intersect at one point on the y-axis. The distance from origin to that point is called y-intercept. This we will discuss actually in straight line concept. So slope intercept from y is equal to mx plus c. C, what is c? C is y intercept. Nothing but what? The distance from origin to the point is c. The same way here, x-intercept is small a, y-intercept is small b. Then the quadratic equation whose roots are the intercept means x square minus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to 0. We need to find this value. For that, they given some condition. Always the equation of line in intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Clearly it is passing through. 1 come on, with help of that we got equation 1. Okay. Then substitute
Yes,
will get the answer. Right?
Okay, sir.
Fine, next question. Last question, like
Sir, 49 by 4.
okay, try this question, students. The next 12th one. How many are there?
Sir, time up, sir. Only 1 minute, sir.
So we need to move little fast because nearly 70 questions are here. Oh, more than that. 73 questions are there, right? Okay, fine. We'll wind up the class.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank